Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine, doing very well. So viewers, today I am back with a very stunning collection of embroidery work top ideas. I hope viewers you are gonna love this collection. Very stylish and stunning floral embroidery work top and blouse ideas you can see in this video. This video gonna very useful for those who love to wear embroidery work dresses, who love to wear embroidery work top blouse ideas. I hope this is very useful collection for you guys. So just watch video till the end. Very beautiful designs of blouse you will see in this video within different colors, different styles. You can get many ideas of blouse. All these blouse designing is totally different from one another. Viewers, please don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was the video, how are the designs, and which type of model collection you want to watch on my channel, and which type of video are more useful for you. Please friends, do support me by sharing my videos with your friends, with your relatives, and keep visiting on my channel for more collection and more ideas. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications.